What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing the front sway bar on the Mustang. Pretty much all you're going to need is a ratchet. I have two. I got a soft handled short one and then a flexible, a little bit longer one, an extension, a 15mm socket, and a 5/8 socket. And the 5/8 has to be deep well. And then a 15mm wrench. And I got a ratcheting wrench just to make it easier. So you see under here, here's your front sway bar, and then the mounts are right here. That's why you need a deep well socket. See how long the stud is through the nut, and then the extension to get past all this stuff. And then your end links right here are 15mm. So I use a wrench on top, and then I might have to get a deep well for the bottom, because the stock ones aren't an actual bolt, they're a nut on both sides apparently. So let's get started. Alright, so after you get it out, you want to have the new one ready, and then you want to swap these sides to the new one. Put your new bushings on, make sure you lube the bushings, and then put it back in the car. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lube on the bushing. The outside isn't really important, but I put some on it anyways. But you really want to lube the inside. And then it's separated, so you can just slide it over like that. see how that fits together. I'm actually going to put this on the car before I lift this up onto the bracket, just to make it a little easier. And just like you slid it out from the passenger side, you want to put it back in from the passenger side. I don't know if you can see very well, but we're going to take that bracket, move this shoe, put that bracket on, and then take our sway bar and lift it up. Alright, so just how your end link is right here, you're going to put this bushing on top, sway bar in between here, sway bar in between here. And it doesn't matter which way you do it. Now this dimple goes towards the sway bar and towards the control arm, and the cupped part of the washer goes on the flat part of that, just like that. Just like that, put it through the control arm. Last bushing. And then your nut. And same thing for the other side. good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more.